A year ago, I was going cross-eyed reading ingredients on store-bought bread, trying to find a delicious bread that wasn't filled with crap, but also didn't cost a small fortune. I gave up and decided to make my own, but what I found out shocked me. By the way, I'm MJ, founder of loadedpotato.org and your refrigerator eliminator. I'm the I hate to cook master, and I've hacked the Martha Stewart rigged system to make delicious, quick meals using just what's in your pantry for about $1 or $2, and usually in 5 to 10 minutes. So be sure to subscribe to me, and I will be sure that you never have to worry about dinner ever again. Store-bought bread is filled with crap. Seed oils, industrial yeast, I've had enough. My family loved the bread, and I hated the thought of them eating horrible foods. So I searched and searched. I ditched the idea of store-bought yeast and discovered sourdough. But I thought sourdough meant hours and hours of kneading every 30 minutes for 12 hours, rising and kneading more. I didn't have time for that. Who did? So I started experimenting as I do. Now, sourdough bread offers several health benefits, which I love, including improved gut health, better digestibility, and a lower impact on blood sugar levels compared to other types of bread. The fermentation used to create sourdough bread helps degrade gluten and reduces levels of compounds that can cause gastrointestinal issues such as FODMAPs, phytates, and tannins. That's awesome, but 12 hours in the kitchen, not having it at all. So I said, what would happen if I just combined it and didn't need it all? I mixed it all together in 2 minutes, set it aside in my pantry for 20 hours, and let chemistry do its thing. I mean, how much more can you mix something that's mixed? So after 20 hours, it rose. I plopped it into my loaf pan, let it rise for another 90 minutes, and baked it for an hour at 425. And my lazy 15-minute loaf that I neglected like my 5th grade Tamagotchi turned into this, a perfect sourdough loaf of bread with zero kneading, literally zero. None, zip, zilch, won't do it, and you don't have to either. So if you were like me and thought sourdough was too hard, I hacked the system for you and for me, and with my recipe, you can have this beautiful sourdough bread with just 15 minutes of work. Check out my easy 15-minute sourdough bread video here. And be sure to follow me for lazy hacks for delicious food, and for more recipes using only shelf-stable ingredients straight from your pantry, check out loadedpotato.org to see all of our recipes, meal plans, grocery lists, and recommended products to save you time, money, and reduce your dependence on the refrigerator. Till next time.